Okay, next we have a tab effect, and this is overall control of the lighting properties: diffuse, ambient, luminosity, contrast. Luminosity will increase the object will start transmitting light. Diffuse and ambient light, how much it will reflect on this, as well increase the contrast of the shadows, for example right here. And you want to increase contrast to the heart if you want to have this kind of cell shaded effect, as well work maybe with the increasing highlights, so it's creating more effect of the cell shading. As well, we look before in the color reflect metal, so if you have the reflection is enabled and you want to create more as metallic, you want to increase that option as well. The color transmit light, again, this is work more if you have it inside maybe with luminosity combinations, so it will work as well as backlighting. If you have it right here, you can see on this material we have it nice backlighting pop up. Okay, and currently we don't have it, so it depends what type of material you're creating. You can adjust those properties. We also have it origin of materials if you're using maps, or for example if using materials or you want to adjust the fractals. You notice this property origin as well as diffuse, ambient, luminosity, contrast, reflection, transmit, and backlight. They can always be function driven. We also can set velocity of material origin. It's for the animated materials. And if you enable glowing materials that create glowing around, they can be also connected to the function. As a glowing, we have an intensity of the glowing. Here you can preview. Radius, how big is intensity is. As well, you can enable glow behind the object. So if we have an object, we can enable, and it's kind of will start produce behind the object glowing as well. We also have a global transformation. This is an option is kind of important when you start working with the tiles. For example, if we go inside and we're loading pictures, you will notice on the textures you can see some pattern of repeating. By utilizing turbulence, rotations, or in cycling, this will allow to distribution of this texture with a little bit turbulence, or rotate them in an X and Y, or cycling to specific. So let's, for example, if we have a turbulence, we can add it. And right here you can complexity of the turbulence. You can affect the noise combination when the start turbulence going over other scale, amplitude, and harmonic. Same things. Let's go to disable this one. On rotation, we have additional options. Rotation on specific axis, or if you want to twist kind of on as well on degrees on specific axis. Cycling, how many, what percent and scale you want for the cycle going over those. So this is just to add additional randomizations, and mostly it will work when you see parent kind of pattern tiling over your surface in when you start using the map images. This is map pictures that will be actually quite a bit visible. So this is effect options, and again all these options will right now overview going over some properties were located. Check our project tutorials when we start working with materials, so you kind of have a better understanding and see in live and practice how we can utilize these options to creating materials.